¿Cómo estás, papá?
Bien, güey. ¿Y tú?
Bien. Muchas gracias.
Muchas gracias.
Sí. ¿Cómo está la familia?
¿La familia?
¿Familia, todo bien?
Man,
Sí.
excelente, güey.
Bueno. ¿Qué comiste tú?
¿Hoy?
Sí.
Comí mucha comida, güey. No
Mucha
mames.
comida.
Ya.
Por eso está todo pinche gordo, viejo
Sí.
gordo.
Ah, hijo de la...
Viejo gordo.
Hijo de la chihuahua.
¿Mira? Ya se está poniendo bien chichón el viejo.
Más
Le
viejo,
dice.
más pendejo.
Sí.
Sí.
Y feo.
Definitivo,
Sí,
güey.
feo también.
Feo.
Sí.
Yo no soy feo.
No, no soy feo.
Horrible está,
Sí.
pinche viejo.
Yo no soy feo.
No.
Yo soy hermoso.
Friends over at Built made that shirt. It's BYLT. They make a lot of athletic. Look at him, so athletic, very professional.
Looks like a nurse shirt, like something a nurse would wear, like scrubs. And there's Moses with his one meal a day.
This is good. Actually, me and Moses are doing the same meal plan. Pretty legit because it's 7 days a week for 30 days, and they give you like time-based food. So like 9 a.m., 12:30, 1:30, 3 o'clock, and 6 o'clock, and we're done.
You
So,
can't just buy that at the store?
no, this is specially made proprietary blend of
Why are you
amazing
such a
cracker.
smart ass every time, idiot?
But so Moses and me on our 30-day challenge now. I think I'm like 184, 183. What are you at right now?
187.
Okay.
So what's the goal?
Lose weight.
I want to go to 170.
10 pounds at least. It'll happen with the way we're eating. It's
Yeah.
like literally no food.
He's dying. He's like,
He's not going to be working out. I'm going to be working out 3 or 4 days out of the week. So that's
oh,
be
you're
the
gonna lose way
difference.
more weight.
But mine's more like weightlifting, not like cardio. So
Moses
We'll
is gonna
see.
be eating at home like sneakily.
No.
Like he's gonna
no, last time he did,
Nope.
he didn't cheat and he lost how many
No.
pounds? 11.
11 pounds.
just to gain it back, huh?
Yep.
The doctor
Look at
says
that one.
that's
That one, unhealthiest guy in the world, sweating for no reason.
That's
It's
12
not even
days.
hot, and he's smoking cigarettes nonstop and not doing anything. So yeah, right now we're looking for a body shop manager and a body shop technician, body man. So please hit us up. But yeah, check out this amazing SVJ right here. It was wrapped blue, and then it was wrapped green, like a Kelly green, and now it's back to its original color. You'll see some green tidbits. So basically, our guys removed the entire wrap, but did not take anything apart on the car right now. So wherever you see green means that panel has to come off to get it off. And that means it's the entire car. Got the crazy wheels on there. We are going to be putting stock wheels on it again. And the suspension, the coilover setup from Novatech KW, we're going to remove that, put the stock one. We're just going to leave the exhaust system on there. And we're going to change the hood as well to factory. Just basically, he's going to be trying to sell it in a factory-like condition. A lot of people don't want a fully modified green wrapped SVJ. So yeah, this is one of the highest spec SVJs I've ever seen. It has a factory carbon fiber 2 roof panels. It is a convertible, whatever. And it has the pillars in carbon fiber from factory. So fully loaded SVJ right here. And if you guys want an amazing SVJ, low mileage, full carbon fiber everywhere, hit us up. We are going to be selling it at a reasonably market priced car. So let us know. SVJ.
Awesome, man. I appreciate that. Thank you so much, man.
Thank you guys. Nice meeting you. Keep playing the game,
Yeah.
guys.
So are they nicer in person?
Yeah. I was hoping. I was like, yo, I hope this guy gets some, man. Take a picture with us. That'd be nice. Otherwise, we're gonna walk away.
Este kit de... ¿Otro kit? Lo que pasa es que se me pierden. Y estos son los Philips. Mira, delgadito, chiquito. Chiquito, mediano, chiquito. Más de lo grande, chiquito. Mediano y el grandototote, carnal. ¿Sabe cuánto vale esta madre? 15 varos, carnal. El 30. 30 varos, carnal. Chingadas madres.
The Snap-on truck got you again?
¿Ah?
The Snap-on truck got you again?
I don't want to say it, but Simone.
This guy better give you a discount. You buy a lot of stuff from him.
Oh,
This
promotion.
This looks like it's from Harbor Freight.
You do promotion?
Why is this? How much is this?
I'm thinking maybe like 160, 175.
Now it's on sale.
Why is it so much?
I got on sale.
For what? How much?
Here.
You have enough screwdrivers.
119.
119?
119.
Mm-hmm.
What's so good about them?
I got a 119 on sale today.
Yeah, but why can't you just buy a normal screwdriver?
You know what? You know what's good about it? It's because
The magnet?
When you break it or you do something to them, they changed it. They give you a
Yeah,
new one.
and this one has a magnet. See the
A magnet.
ese aquí, right here, is holding your screws. If you drop it,
Oh.
yeah, it's like a magnet.
me
But
see.
you press it like this in the magnet, and then hold.
See? Damn, it's pretty light. It's carbon fiber?
Huh?
Carbon fiber?
No, this is carbon plastic.
Oh.
Suddenly.
I could finish it maybe in 2 days for you.
Can you see that?
Yeah.
Robin.
Okay, so this Alfa Romeo customer keeps taking his car inside to the dealership about 3 times already. He keeps getting fine scratches on the steering wheel. The steering wheel's leather, and he thinks by replacing it, it's gonna probably go away. But I think he's probably keeps touching it, rubbing it with some kind of sharp object, and keeps doing that because there's no way that that's a defective problem. Defective problems with stitching, you can see it starts coming apart from stitching, starts to separate. That's a defective issue with the steering wheel. But in this case, I think he keeps damaging it. He's not sure what he's doing. So we're honest here. We do not try to upsell. Yep, no lights, no camera, no action. Only eating a banana. We started our diet thing and it ain't going too well.
This is day 2.
Day 2, I'm pale. I don't feel good. I feel very weak. But I guess this is the process. The first week is hard. And I've been eating bananas and peanuts all day long. It's terrible. Vic's doing the same thing. Let's see how much we can last. But hopefully we'll have 29 days left.
So how's it feels like waking up Saturday early?
This isn't even early. I didn't even wake
You
up.
just woke up, bro.
Let's just go up to the second floor and hang out and have a barbecue.
What is the point of being open? I don't get
Oh, tell me.
Tell
And the
me.
body shop is closed. And the body shop completely is closed. Look, there's so many body shop employees.
The old Mercedes that's not running right. Instead of making the car run right,
That one, I'm waiting for parts for that one.
what about the Lamborghini? You have springs.
I ordered already.
Mercedes, I took the windshield and the back glass. The headlight is still on it. What's the excuse on that one?
That one just did it yesterday, like 6 o'clock.
What about
We
this
need it
one?
by Monday.
I text you a big list. You have the text. You see?
Okay.
What do you mean okay?
There's so many cars.
I have a lot of cars now.
And then, you,
Your car.
and then you complain about your bonus. I don't have a bonus. Well, of course you're not gonna get a bonus. Last day of the work day for us. Javier's putting the stock springs back on this Ventador here. So this one was a green wrap with the lowering springs and everything. So we're putting it back to stock. That's what Javier's doing right now. So if he's not gonna go home until he finishes his car.
Yeah.
All right, so you guys are familiar with this S-Class. We did this one not too long ago. This was a complete blackout. These wheels were silver before. We powder coated them black. This car's back here for something simple. As you guys can see, the right side floating caps are all gone. They're not there, missing. They're not there. Customers thinking that somebody might have pulled them off and took them, but they left the other 2 on the other side. I don't know why. And yeah, that's what this car's here for. These floating caps are not that cheap, actually. They are custom made specifically to fit the wheel. And yeah, they're not cheap. This thing is super loud.
Do you like the white better? I feel like I do.
Yeah, I like the white better.
It's cleaner, huh?
White's better. Anything in white looks good.
That's racist.
It's not racist. White house looks better. White cars look better. Anything white looks better because you can see the lines in the pretty much everything in white versus any other color.
Hey,
Hi.
when I call you, bro, please just come.
Ah! Okay, okay.
Okay?
Oh my hand.
Just I called you, man.
Look.
Don't touch me.
Hey,
You love me? No. Fuck you. Next time I'll ask you for a massage and I'll give a shit.
now this is a car, ladies and gentlemen.
You say that about every car you get into.
Let's fire it up. Wow.
Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. And also, if you have any comments, good or bad, leave it below. All right? So, see you on the next one. Haha.